and good afternoon, everyone. So, as per many of you have requested, I thought that we'll put every post in every Monday basis about my work that currently I'm doing it. Uh, so, I've been working on many dashboard. Let me share my screen. Uh, this is my GitHub account, and I am currently working with different kind of data. So, some data are related to the patient walking. Some are admission related, working with the consulting firm. They are, doing the admission for different institutes. So we did a dashboard for them. Uh, so similarly, today I wanted to discuss one of the incident that have been taken place in Kashmir. So this is with respect to the cat bite trends in Kashmir. So if you can see in the news, cat bite trends in Kashmir. It was in the news. It was traveling. So the government is saying that there's a significant increase in recent years, particularly the last year. So it is also a kind of as you have seen the dog bite increases in Karnataka. Similarly, it is another incident, another data trends, very interesting data trend that cat bites are rising. Kashmir sees surge in cat bite cases amid rising of bait. So all the feline lovers. This is just information that I get, and based on that, I tried to created a dashboard. Okay, so let me share my screen for the dashboard. Right. So this is the dashboard that I was trying to showcase. Let me make it a little bigger. Yeah, as you can see, so this is a kind of dashboard that I have prepared. So cat bite trends in Kashmir and treatment dashboard. So there are okay. Let's see the data that we have. Right. So let's go to the DAX query. It's a new you know new function, new DAX query has come. This is a new window, I would say, that has come with respect to the. Okay, let me see how it goes. Okay, it has to be run. Yeah, yeah. As you can see, we had that report view, model view, table view, model view, and then there's a new DAX query view has come, and also we had that TMDL view. These are the new two, new joinees to the club. Okay, now talking about this particular data set, as you can see, it's a synthetic data mimicking the original data, which is with the information we had that earlier. So these are the bytes we can see, number of bytes, and these are dates also has given. The district has been given. Also, the victim, like are they senior, are they the adult or child, teen, whatsoever. Also, it has mentioned that the severity, it's a minor or major, and also the bifurcation we can showcase on the victim, like male, female. Also, the interesting part is the vaccination status. That also you can see it here, and similarly the cost part. So if it's a government hospital, if government is providing this cost for this treatment or not. If yes, then how much? A private clinic, an NGO camp, if they are doing it, then how much? So and also we have seen that this is a kind of population of cat that also can be we can able to see it, right. And the status of this animals, like whether they are stray or paid or how it is, it's also mentioned here. And estimated cost. Let's see. Let's go into the data set as I was mentioning. As you can see, there are approximately 500 plus bites are there. That incident happened. 95 of are very very severe. Out of which 377 are vaccinated, and maximum number of cases have been seen in Srinagar, right? And most affected age group is again 13 to 90, and 24% are non-vaccinated. And this is the kind of graph you can see. It's a line chart. It is talking about the monthly basis. So if you can see which month, the March, it is a little higher. Sorry, April it's got the highest, and then it has come down a bit, and then it's gone up again, and again it is December also. It is we have seen the rise. As you can see, this is the bite of age group. You can see adult, child, children, senior, and the teen age group. That is the highest most. Also, you can see kind of the treatment cost. Also, you can see a kind of the status for animal status, and here you can see the week wise biting. So generally, if you can see, if somebody wanted to see that which particular day of the week the cat bites are seen most, that can be the Wednesday. I mean, it's just of curiosity. It can be different. It can be. There's so many other permutation combination. And Saturday also we have seen the rise. All right, let's get into the district of Kashmir, like Anantnag, right? It's a district Anantnag. There we can see 68 cases, 12 are severe. Also, you can see the kind of bifurcation of the minor, moderate, severe. This is a pie chart. This is again the line chart, which is showcasing the total bytes by week. Right. Again, if you can see Thursday here, it is nice. Also, if you can see the monthly basis, month-wise, bytes. Here we can see the highest number is in February, and the lowest is in October. Oh, let's go to Baramulla. This is another district of Kashmir. There we have seen the kind of 67 bytes, and vaccinated are 48, unvaccinated are 28%. Okay, and also we have seen the rise of cat bytes in the month of September. So this is a kind of yearly data. And similarly, Pulwama, right? So it is also one of the district of Kashmir, and there also we can see the kind of right? So this is the one pager summary kind of dashboard with the usage of different kind of charts. And also the usage of with the use of Canva, I built the background. So all other, also along with that, I have been working on the other dashboard as I have shown. If you are interested to work with me, if you wanted to take this repository and create a new kind of report, you are please feel free, and you can get into this website that is GitHub, my GitHub account, and here you can see there are different kind of data that I have been working. Some another interesting data maybe I can share in the coming days about Indian urban marriages, failing marriages. The count is going really high. Maybe tomorrow I can discuss about that. For today, thank you so much. Hope you like this session. Thank you so much.